Hi everyone, Laura from Georgetown Soaps. Good morning. I am making another batch of soap, obviously, and I get a ton of requests from customers for more essential oil soaps, and so I am totally committed to branching out this year into doing a lot more essential oil soaps. And this one I am doing, it is blood orange essential oil. And I'm just going to make it real simple and use a lot of activated charcoal. We all know how great the activated charcoal is for your skin, and so I just thought, like, with the nice sweet citrus smell of the blood orange, I just felt like this would be a great simple soap. Just activated charcoal, nothing fancy. Sometimes keep it simple, stupid is what works best. I love doing all the fancy swirls, but sometimes it's nice to just kind of do a simple soap. So I have kind of had mixed all my oils, mixed my butters. I just added my lye water. I normally don't strain my lye water, but you can see that I just used a real small strainer in the background. I had put my lye water outside to cool, and some stuff from the trees that kind of fallen into it, so it was just like a couple little pieces that you probably wouldn't want in your soap. So lesson learned, I will cover my lye water when I'm sticking it outside if I'm in a hurry. But now that the weather's warming up, not sure how much quicker it's going to be to stick it outside. But anyway, and so loads and loads of activated charcoal. Love how this looks. You got to just kind of get it all mixed in so you don't have any clumps. But again, this essential oil smells fantastic. Love it. It's just a nice bright citrus scent, and it sticks well. And you can see it's really orangey, so you can kind of see there, even with the activated charcoal, you can still kind of see the color of the fragrance. And so I think if I had done just a plain soap, it probably would have, it had a tint of orange to it, so that might actually be nice as well. I like how the lemongrass essential oil also kind of just naturally gives a little bit of color to the soap. Alright, so this is about as interesting as it gets. So I'm going to go ahead, finish mixing up, put it in the mold, and then I'll bring you guys back for the cut. And I do get a lot of questions on the molds that I use. This is the 5-pound diamond mold from BeScented. It's a silicone mold, and what's really nice about it is that you don't need anything to hold up the sides. Once in a while, if you pour really light, it may bow, but for the most part, I do not need to have anything. I don't need to prop it up. I don't need to do anything special for the mold not to bow. And so these are super easy to use. You don't have to line the wooden molds. I stick them in the oven. For me, it's just convenience. I've got a ton of wooden molds that I use as well, but love the silicone ones just for ease of use. All right, I'll bring you guys back for the cut. All right, and here we are for the cut. This is going to be a really exciting cut for you guys. Sorry, all the bars are all black. Nothing too exciting about this. So I kind of sped up the video just so you can see, but love the way it smells, love the way it looks. I'm excited for this one. I'm excited to release this one in about 6 weeks. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, do me a favor and go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Just hit my 1,000 subscriber video, or 1,000 YouTube subscriber mark. So very excited about that. So thank you to everyone who subscribed and to everyone who's going to. All right, thanks so much. See you on the next video.